Hello everyone. Today we unbox the police pursuit. There's 5 packs on these. First, there's 5 packs. I'm gonna unbox this first. Wait, how can you? Wait. Yeah. You can do this. Wait, where's she going?
I'm getting some scissors.
What? Oh, wait.
Oh, there's a place. Well, I can move mine.
Oh, okay.
Oh. Here we go.
Yeah, I need help. I need help.
Okay, let me
You can do it with your muscles.
I don't know. Sorry. Like, whoever made this bag is very hard to open.
Yeah.
Get in it.
I did it. Okay.
Closely. Yeah.
So,
Oh. Can you help?
yeah. Yeah. Because you're my sister. There's 5 packs of these. So this one is one. Oh, this is different. This is different. That's not a. Wait, this is different. This is a Corvette, not a Dodge. Why Corvette is this is called the Corvette CX6R. This is a police 911. Call the 911 for its help. And next one is this. Wait a sec, this looks like this. Hold on.
Can I go first now? Okay. While waiting for my brother. Get open. But actually, there's mini pixels. There's only 2 characters, as it says, or 2 dolls.
That looks like this.
There.
Double. Okay, never mind. Let's continue.
Let's continue.
And this is a SWAT.
It's not open. Okay, that
And
one.
what's his name?
Oh, it was so close to
This
get
is
golden.
a SWAT movie with a machine gun and a machine gun. So then our first and our 420s to be trapped.
This is hard.
This is the number 2 police car for this. And our number 1 was
Don't make me lazy.
decided. Wait, it looks like my. Okay, never mind about
She
this.
has the same wings, almost. Let me
So we do the
get.
police pursuit.
Stop. Can we get the hat and go? Sorry.
Okay.
Do this.
Okay, I'll help you.
Okay. It's hard to get it.
Okay, this is the pursuit collection. For some things, you want really of this. Look at this. Copy. These are copies.
I'm making too much noise. There,
That's okay.
Finally got it.
Copies. These are copies. These are copies. This is police service, and this one is fire service. That's copycat.
This is like
Thank you
the
guys for
hatching
watching.
and this
channel.
is the
Now it's time for understone, and now I'm just gonna play with these. Bye. Bye. Have a good time.